Dear children, good afternoon everyone. Today we can learn about dividing. Uh, See children, you can see a set of bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in this set. Then here we have one more set. This also having 5. Then 5, two sets of 5. Two sets of 5. That is 2 times 5. 1 time 5 and 2 times 5. This is total 10. 5, 10. Then you can say 2 times 10 is, 2 times 5 is 10. Then you know that this is total 10 bricks, then 10 blocks. Then I am dividing it into two sets. I am dividing it into 5 each. In each set 5. Then how many sets I have made? I have made 2 sets. So we can say 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Total 10 cubes. Then I have divided sets having 5 each. Then I got 2 sets. So we can say 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then same way here we have two sets of cubes. Then how many sets children? 2 sets. Then how many in each? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in each set. So we can say 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equal to total 6. 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 5. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then this is total 6. I am dividing it into sets having 3 each. Then how many sets I got? I got 2 sets. So we can say 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. This we read it as divided by. Divided by. When we say 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2, we are showing how many 5s we can take from this 10. For example, here this is 10, you know that. Then 10 divided by 5. Then I took 1 times 5, 2 times 5. Then I got the answer 2. So we can say 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then teacher will send a worksheet like this. You can do it and send it to empty classroom. Then children, we have another topic, dividing with the remainders. Dividing with the remainders. Remainder means balance. Dividing with remainders. Remainders. Dividing with remainders. We can see an example. 9 divided by 4. 9 divided by 4. Here we are trying to find how many times we can take 4 from the number 9. How many times we can take 4 from 9. Here I have taken 9 building blocks. Here I have taken 9 building blocks, and I am trying to find how many times I can take 4 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I took one time. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4. One time I have taken 4 from this 9. Then again I took one more time 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 I took. Then 1 is remaining. 1 is remaining. So we can say 9 divided by 4 is equal to 2 and 1 remainder. 1 remainder. Remainder is 1. I will show you once again. Here we are doing 9 divided by 4. Here we are going to find how many times we can take 4 from 9. Then this is 9. One time I have taken 4. Then 2 times I have taken 4 from 9. Then 1 is balance. That is the remainder. Then we can try another one. 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. This is for 4 bricks, 4 building blocks. Here we are, this is 4 divided by 3. Here we are going to find how many times we can take 3 from 4. I have taken one time 3. Here again I can't take because this is 1 only. This is the remainder. So answer is how many times I took? One time. I took one time. That is the answer. And remainder is 1 itself. Remainder 1. Then see children, I have taken some sets of bricks. 2, 4, 6. 6 are here. Then we can write another division. 4 total 5 are here. 5 divided by 2 is equal to, here we are going to find how many times we can take away 2 from 5. One time, 2 times. Here I got answer 2 and remainder 1 is remaining. Remainder is 1. Then we can do many examples like that. We can try another one. Here I have taken total. Here we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, here we have 9 building blocks. Then 9, fourth one, 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 2. Then how many times we can take 2 from 9? One time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 1 is remaining. So we can write answer as 4 and 1 is remainder or 1 is balance. Teacher will give a worksheet like this to you. You can do it. You can copy the questions in your maths notebook and write your answer and send to empty classroom. We can try another one. 13 divided by 2. 13 divided by 2. Here we are trying to find how many times we can take 2 from the number 13. For finding that, we can say the multiplication table of 2 and we can say it up to 13. 1 time 2 is 2, 2 times 2 4, 3 times 2, 6. Then 4 times 2, 8. Then 5 times 2, 10. 6 times 2, 6 times 2, 12. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 is 14. Here we don't have 14. We have only 13. So we can take 6 times. We can take 2 6 times from the number 13 because 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12. So when we divide 13 by 2, we will get answer 6. Okay children, here we are finding, trying to find how many times we can take 2 from the number 13. Here we found that we can take 6 times. We can take 2 6 times from the number 13, and when we take 6 times, we will get 12 and 1 will be remaining. Okay, so 13 divided by 2 is equal to 6 and 1 remainder. 1 remainder. Then we can try another one. 33 divided by 10. 33 divided by 10. All of you have learned the table of multiplication table of 10. We can say it. 1 time 10 is 10. 2 times 10, 20. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 10, 30. 4 times 10, 40. We don't have 40 here. We have 33 only. So we can take 3 times. We can take 10 3 times from the number 33. So we will then we will get 30. So we can write 3. How many times we can take 10 from 33? We can take 3 times. That will make 30. And what is remaining? Okay, 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. Okay, 33 divided by 3 is equal to 3, and 3 is the remainder. Then we can try another one. 17 divided by 5. All of you have learned the multiplication of table of 5. Now children, okay. So we can say it. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5, 10. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 5, 15, and 4 times 5, 20. We don't have 20 here. So we can take 3 times. We can take 3 times, 5 3 times from the number 17. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we can write 3 here. 17 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And what is the remainder? When we divide it, we got 3. Then 5 times 3 is 15. Then 16, 17. 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. Then we can try another one. 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4. We can say the multiplication table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 4, 12. We don't have 12 here. We have 11 only here. So we can stop here. 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So we can take 2 times. We can take 4 2 times from the number 11. When we take, we will get 8, then 9, 10, 11. What is remaining? 3 is remaining. So 3 is the remainder. Okay children, our question is 11 divided by 4. Here we are going to check how many times we can take 4 from 11. We are going to check how many times we can take 4 from 11. Then we found that we can take 2 times. 1 time 4 is 4, 2 times 4, 8. 3 times 4 is 12. We don't have 12 here, so we can take only 2 times. When we took 2 times 4, we will get 8. Then 9, 10, 11. 3 is the remainder. Teacher will send you both these worksheets. You can copy this into your maths notebook. Write the answer correctly and send to empty classroom. Thank you, children.